What's good, Shanae? It's your girl Shy back in the car once again with another video. So, as y'all seen by that time, it's clearly burning on my head, but I just woke up. As y'all seen by that title, I am going to be doing like a cleanup, morning routine or whatever, something like that. So yeah. First thing first, I gotta get some products. Clean the products, and then take the sheet off my bed, and the cover, and the pillows, and I gotta change my bed covers and sheets and all that, and yeah, mop and sweep and do all that extra stuff. So yeah, I'll get back with y'all when I get finished with that. Got done putting the pillows, taking the sheets off the bed, and getting the products, cleaning products. And I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get done sleeping, and I'm finna be mopping and everything else. So yeah, I'm just now putting the mopping stuff on the floor so I can mop. And now y'all gonna, I said I was gonna get back with y'all when I mop. So yeah, been a long time, but I was just editing that first. So yeah, I'm done with my freaking room. Sneak peek. Like this video and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Comment down below. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So yep, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. And make sure y'all just share this video. Just share it. Just like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. It's that simple. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next freaking video. That's just like it. But yeah, see you.